it's Victoria. So today I was cleaning up my room, and so I just got out of the restroom and decided that I wanted to make a little video. So I'm going to be doing a couple time lapses and just explaining what I did today. So let's get on with the video. So guys, I just put everything that was on my bed was up here because I vacuumed my room earlier. So I moved my trash can off of my dresser, moved my bag down to beside my desk. My dirty clothes are over there beside my dresser, my side table. I put down my big poopy thing, which is supposed to be my feet, but it's really cute. And then my two stuffed animals and my square thing. Now, today I'll just be talking about what I did earlier today, and then also what's going to be happening this week. So first I'm going to fix my closet door. This is a new angle that I have really never tried out because I just didn't really want to sit so far away from the camera, but I think y'all can hear me fine. But I'm going to be putting everything that's in my backpack that I need for Monday, which I think I already did this, but this will be a good video idea. So this is my science journal, and currently we were going to be on Unit 8. We just learned about the measuring the properties of stars, and I have a test grade that I need to check on at some point when he puts it on there. In reading, we're doing Frankenstein, and I think my package is falling apart, but until it actually breaks, I don't think I need to worry about it. It's fine. And then in math, we're doing a project, and we're going to be going. Oh, Monday is the 4th. I was confused. But we're doing a project, and then I don't think I'm going to need to bring my binder to school because we, on Monday, have, let me see, I have business, then I go to astronomy, which is my science, and then I go to audio video class, then I go to British literature. So this is my big binder, and I'm not going to take it to school. And then this is the Frankenstein book. And then this is kind of like a what's in my backpack too. I have this little Germex and a little Vera Bradley backpack, which I can keep like money. I don't have anything inside of it so far. And then this is my planner, which I've talked about my high school. I don't think it matters if I show it anymore. The next week, we are having AB schedule again. And then week after that is regular schedule, and it's going to be fine. I am just kind of stressed about finals, but it'll be okay. I'm excited to just get done with school. I feel like everybody would be that way. But today is Saturday, so I'll have pretty much another day to go through all this if I want to. But this is what I'm going to bring to school. My binder, if I don't bring it with me, it just stays on the side of my desk. And I don't think I'm going to be bringing it just because I don't really think I'll need it. And it's going to be okay if I forget it because a lot of it is virtual anyway. But Yeah, so today we went to the park with one of the families from our church. And then we came home and my parents had to go and get a little key fob from a Kia dealership for a car we were sharing, me and my parents. But they, like, the key, the actual key wasn't in there. The buttons were working or something, I'm not sure. This is my list of what I'm going to be doing today. So my mom she walked in and I don't like to talk, you know, anyways around. Oh, and the last thing that I can do today, because I'm kind of sweaty because we're outside and also I just don't want to do my laundry, is make my Miralax drinks. And this is my list for today. I'm gonna maybe do some Bible journaling and do some just journaling in general. Try to do some reflection questions for my journal. And I have a paper that I have been working on for goals for myself, which if I can read it, it's ask less questions, tell less stories to my parents, say yes ma'am, no ma'am, yes sir, no sir. Pray more, like 2 or 3 times a day, and be more quieter on my family because I just have a problem with being loud. So yeah, guys, I'll come up there for a sec. This is the end of the video. I know it wasn't very long. I just haven't really done much today. Yesterday I just had school and then I came home. We got McDonald's for lunch, Panda Express for dinner, which I got like a huge cup and it was like 40 ounces of Sprite and I shouldn't have done that, but it was a Friday. My dad took the car to the dealership, which he picked it up today, but there's still a problem with the key, like I said, and we had a fun night. Watched some of our shows from Thursday night from like CBS, NBC, and ABC. And I did a video, I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday. I did a video about God and just explaining what kinds of things that I like to learn about with the Bible. And some people in my family watched it. Thank you for watching it. And I know I inspired some people, I hope. And this week has just been awesome, and I know as the weeks go on and on, I won't be as stressed out. Tomorrow we've got church, and next week I've got my Invisalign appointment. If you see, my teeth are getting so much better, or are already so much better, because I would be fine with this. So I just keep wearing this Invisalign until Thursday, and then I get a retainer hopefully, and then Wednesday I have a counseling appointment. So that'll be fun, and other than that, just school, except for Wednesday. And that's all that's happening. I just wanted to give you all an update on my life and just what's been happening. I thought today was just a very chill moment, and I am sometimes like, I want to do this on a schedule, but you know, this is a fun angle. I feel like you'll never really get to see my bed. So yeah, this is my dog, Flora. It's not a real dog. I wish it was, but you know, if you have a fake dog and you're gonna love on the dog, it's like a lot easier than a real one that's just like running around every time. So yeah, I'm 18, but I have like 5 stuffed animals, which is a lot better than having like 5 real dogs. I'd say it's a lot easier. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Go check out my last video. I'll put it down below, and I hope you guys have a great week. Love you. Bye.